What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. All right, guys, this is the sexy 2012 Toyota Sienna. Carbon fiber hood, wheels, wrap, custom to the max, airbags, airbag ride suspension. Just a really good looking van all the way around. Who said vans can't be cool? Factory converter there, third converter there. Then we left the glass pack on it, the resonator, the mid resonator, and we took off the massive muffler. Right there, as you guys can see, it's about 3 feet long. Then we left the baby resonator back here because he didn't want it crazy loud. There's the airbags on it, guys. Look at that. It's awesome. And then the factory tailpipe out the back. There's the factory muffler that was on it. Gigantic. You can see where it was scraping because it's so low. And there it is. That's what it looks like after. Like nothing happened. Just get a little bit of more sound. And like always, guys, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Clean. It's not bad. I like his signs too, like that. Especially this one. Only bands. Go ahead. Your sound decibels? Right at 100. Go ahead and back it up. And he's a detailer, guys. If you're ever in the Nashville area, you need your car detailed, hit him up. Or if you want to follow his build, hit him up. He's going to change the color on it. And that's a wrap on it too. So he does wraps too. Really nice. We appreciate him bringing it down. Got airbag suspension. Toyota Sienna. Muffler delete. Dirty Detailer 22. Look at that carbon fiber hood. It looks so cool. Lowered lifestyle, right? I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. See, he lowered it. That's the right stance. That's awesome. That's the only Toyota Sienna you're gonna see like that. Some of the Nashville cars we have, guys, just to show you a few. Really nice build. Oh well, he didn't step on it, but you can hear it. It sounds good.